Hello and welcome back to HardReset.Info. In this video, I will show you different methods of performing hard reset on Google Pixel 9a. Let's begin! So normally, you could possibly just go into the settings, scroll almost all the way down, go to the system, go to the reset options and hit erase all data. However, sometimes you want to erase all data without using basically your screen at all. Maybe your screen froze, maybe something else happened, you have to perform a hard reset and you cannot use this settings option. Well, we can do that using recovery mode, but how can we get into the recovery mode? Well, first we have to keep we have to press and hold both power button and volume up button, just like that. We ignore the screen, we keep pressing. And whenever the screen goes black, you want to release both of the keys and then start pressing power button and volume down button. Now we have to keep pressing that for about 10 seconds, maybe 15, maybe 20, like it really depends on the phone, it depends on the speed, it depends on different factors. Sometimes it's just random, honestly. But after a moment, we should be greeted with the fast boot mode. Here we can use the volume buttons in order to navigate through different modes. We want to get into recovery mode. So we click recovery mode, and now in a moment we will be greeted with the Android corpse, just like that, no command of a screen. In order to get past that, we want to press and hold power button and press volume up once. And now we are inside our recovery mode. Now we want to navigate using your volume buttons to the wipe data / factory reset option. We want to hit power button in order to confirm it. And now we want to go down and press power button in order to perform our hard reset. Just like that. As you can see now, the data wipe is complete, and all we have to do is just reboot our system now. And after reboot will be done, we will be greeted with the phone setup screen. I'm not going to showcase you that. If you are unaware on how to set up your phone, don't worry, we do have a tutorial on just that topic. You have to search something like Google Pixel 9a phone setup, and you should be able to see our video on this very specific topic. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, please remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.